Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, May 14, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how the Home Business Academy pays. But before I get started, if it's your first time on my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now, full-time since 2018. And I truly enjoy helping other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So, with that being said, the Home Business Academy, I had a couple people reach out to me, well, quite regularly actually, asking me about their compensation plan. And I've done a more in-depth video about it on my YouTube channel, but I thought that I would just, spend a few minutes and talk to you about it and how it works. Because if you don't know about HBA, the Home Business Academy, or you never heard of it, or you might have looked at it before and forgotten about it, HBA is the leader when it comes to affiliate marketing and online business opportunities. All right, it's just hands down. There's nothing that beats it out there. Okay. Now, with that being said, there are other great programs out there, but HBA they just do everything the right way. All right, and the owners of it, they created it because they saw the all the negative aspects of what other people were doing, what other companies were doing, companies shutting down and doing rug pulls and Ponzi schemes and all that stuff. And so they just wanted to make their own company where everything was done the right way. And that's what they've done here. All right. I mean, it's a 10 out of 10. All right. So how it works is we have three main products. We have the Let's Goal app, which is an app to help you keep everything under control. Your daily routine, your monthly routine. It has everything, calendars. It has everything that you need to keep you on track. Let's just say it that way. From visionary boards to creating your own mantras to having your own calendar so that you can keep track of what it is you need to do, all that stuff. All right, all that stuff, and then so much more. It tracks your reading if you're into reading, exercise, things like that. All right. Then we have the funnel builder, and that's quite it's exactly what it says it is. So it's a funnel builder, but it's also a page builder. You can create e-commerce stores. You can create, pages like Linktree. You can create anything you want to. And it's really easy to use, top-notch, state-of-the-art. But it builds out funnels and marketing pages or whatever it is that you want to build out. And then we have the premium product. And the premium is our training and coaching. All right, this is where you learn traffic, you learn conversion, you get trained by 6 and 7 plus figure earners. We have weekly Zoom calls, we have daily coaching calls. It's top notch. All right, absolutely top notch. And then we also have a final a high ticket course that you can buy. Okay, and this course I'll talk about at the end, but let's go back to Let's Goal app. The Let's Goal app is $10 a month. All right, the company pays you 80% commissions. They've never changed their compensation plan. They've been in business for 10 years. All right, so every time somebody signs up, and you have to own the products in order to earn the commission. So if I own all the products. I'm all in with this company. I'm not going anywhere. Like I said, it's top notch. I love everything about it. So for me, when somebody joins the Let's Goal app underneath me, I make $8 a month as long as they're active, because it's a monthly residual commissions that you earn with these first three products. All right, so they pay 80%. So $8 for every person who joins the Let's Goal app underneath me and stays active. Okay. Now the funnel builder is $25 a month, and I earn 80%. Right, so $20 a month for every person who joins me and stays active with the funnel builder. And then the premium is $125 a month, and we earn $100 commissions per month as long as the person stays active. So if you have somebody who goes and gets all three products, you're going to earn $128 a month in residual income from each person that stays active with all three products. Okay, does that make sense? Then the Financial Literacy Academy, that is like I said, it's a course. It's a really good course. It'll help you with your money mindset. It'll help manage your money, learn how to do taxes and how you can write this off. All kinds of different cool things in there to help you become financially sound with your money, because most people live paycheck to paycheck. I believe it's like 80 or 85% of people in America live paycheck to paycheck regardless of their income. All right, so most people don't manage their money correctly, and it took me a long time before I ever started to, but now that I have, it just makes things a lot better, right? So this course will help you do that and get all of your finances in order and show you how you can take your money and have it make more money for you, as opposed to getting money and spending it all. It's just a top-notch course. So when you sell that, if you have the course yourself, you're going to earn a one-time $400 commission, okay? So the payouts are really generous. I mean, 80%, there's no other company out there doing that on all products. And the fact that they've been in business for 10 years and they haven't changed their compensation plan says a lot, right? But the community itself is worth the price, far more than the price, all right? We're like a big family inside. You're going to get help no matter what. It's just a really awesome opportunity. So if you're somebody just looking for a way to make money from home, HBA is definitely a place to start, especially if you're brand new, because you will learn every single thing there is to learn about affiliate marketing and how you can generate a nice income using this system if you put in the work, okay? Now, I can't guarantee anything because it's totally dependent on your work ethic, and I do have the HBA earnings disclaimer down in the video description, so go and read that, okay? We can't guarantee anything. If you don't put in the work, you're not going to make any money, right? This isn't a get-rich program. This is something that you have to take serious, treat it like a real business, because that's what it is, and put in the work. Show up every day, stay consistent, take action, and things that I talk about in all my videos. But just think, if you have 100 people over time, right? Say it takes you 5 years to do it, to get 100 people that go and purchase all three products, that'd be over $12,000 a month in residual income. A month in residual income, okay? You only need 20 to 30 people to replace most full-time incomes. And with everything laid out and all the tools that you need, all the AI tools that you need inside that you get, it's the only way that you can fail with this is if you don't show up and don't put in the work. It's almost impossible to not make money with HBA if you put in the work. Okay? But again, I can't guarantee anything, and we have that HBA earnings disclaimer down in the video description, so go and read that. But with all that being said, this is something that is just a no-brainer, all right? And the company pays out every Thursday for all transactions that have matured for at least 7 days, all right? So if you go and make a sale this week let's say you make a sale on Friday, okay? No, you're basically getting paid. Whenever you make a commission, that sits in your account on hold for 7 days. Once that's matured, it gets released. The company pays out every Thursday. All right? And there's several ways that you can get paid, including bank transfer and Bitcoin. But they pay out every Thursday for all transactions that have matured for 7 days. So, top-notch company. I love everything about it. I'll leave a link down below. You can check out our new turnkey system that the owners put together for us, that you can just come in, have it set up in under 10 minutes. It's basically set up for you already, but if you want to forward a domain or something like that, then, it takes a few minutes longer, but it's really, really an awesome system. Has all the follow-ups, everything. We have a built-in autoresponder, everything you need, all right? Just leave it at that. Every single thing you need to be successful at building a business. It's a complete business in a box. All right, so go and check out the link down below this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. And I'd love to work with you. When you join me, you're going to get all my bonuses. You're going to get 80 plus different places to share this business online. You'll get my letter template that I use in all of my direct mailings. You're going to get my contact information so you can reach out anytime you need assistance or have any questions. And you're going to join a really awesome community, a family inside of HBA, okay? So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Have a great day.